Oh, this is a good girl. Hi, you sitting down? Oh, you're looking around now, huh? You want to come play? You come to Mama and play? Yeah. Oh, you was a good girl. Come here. Violet, look up at Mama. Oh, hi, Violet. You're a good girl. Yeah. You want to lick Mama's hand? Lick, 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 lick. Want some treats? Oh, treats are good. How about IRS? Go in a car? You want to go for a ride in a car? Oh, yeah. Cute face. You going to go see Daddy now? You go see Daddy. Maybe he's got some food for you. Good girl. Oh, you laying down. Yeah, you're a very nice girl.